Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to make funk in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it up. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments that we can use. As you can see, like the keyboard, we have the drums, we can plug in a guitar or bass and play, and we can use the audio recorder option. So basically guys, what we can do to get started is now using our instruments that we need for the funk music. So basically the first thing you can find is right here in the upper left corner next to the tracks. You can find your live loop. So here maybe you can find something that's going to sound similar to funk that you can use to get a bass. So as you can see here, we have a lot of options like the beat masher, we have the electro funk, and so a lot of options that you can go ahead and test out to see how they sound. So you can get started with them. But if you want to create funk from scratch, this is all you're going to need. You have all of your instruments right here. So basically guys, funk has a lot of elements that you can go ahead and find how they sound on the internet to see what you need. But basically you're going to be using your keyboard right here. You'll even add some drums because all of the funk music consists of that. So as you can see, once you open up an instrument, you can get started recording, and you want to use the big red circle at the top of the screen. This is the recording button that's going to enable you to record. So here, once you start recording, you want to get started playing, and this is going to add those notes to your music. After that, here in the upper left corner, you can open up mix mode, and here you can find all your tracks and music which you can combine into getting your desired funk music. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.